let's make this paper bag snowflake together. All you're gonna need for it is a glue gun, scissors, pen, an eraser, and 7 to 8 pieces of paper bag. Let's start by making the first piece of our snowflake. For this, you can let your imagination go wild in whatever shape you would like your snowflake to be. You can cut it in this shape, or you can cut it more right here. You can have few circular lines, but for this snowflake I will make 5 points on the paper on a diagonal line. So I will first draw a diagonal line. Like so, and mark 5 points. So outside points, middle, and then in the middle of both. And now I will just draw lines to combine them. Like so. Now I will just adjust the lines. And once I'm happy with the shape, I will take scissors and cut it out. Now that I have it, I will take another piece of paper bag, place it directly on it, align the edges, and use this upper piece of paper as a stencil to trace it around. Like so. And now I will cut this piece of paper and the rest of them on the lines that I just drew. Now that your paper bags are ready, your glue gun is hot, let's start by combining them together. For this you will apply glue here on the bottom and in the middle, so like in the letter T, and make sure that all of your paper bags are facing the same way. So let's apply it. And the last one. like so. And now you just open it like so. And you've made your paper snowflake. And if you want, you can glue these parts together, or you can leave it like so and then just apply a little bit of glue once you have it, once you need it. Otherwise, you can store it like this. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!